Today, we aren't just talking about drinking beer as you barbecue. We're showing you how you can enhance flavors on the grill with beer.
But you guys, we are no expert. Master Chef Canada, Mary Berg is the expert, and she is here to help us.
Oh, thank you.
So good to see you.
Yes.
So good to see you. It's beautiful out here today.
It is
really
gorgeous.
is. It's a gorgeous day. It's a great day for a lemon shandy.
It's true, and I think a lemon shandy is actually my husband's favorite drink. So all it is basically half beer and half lemonade. And
Amazing.
So good, so tasty.
Any type of lemonade that we should be using, any type of beer we should be using?
The classic is just classic lemonade, and I love a lager. Something light, something drinkable, something that you want to drink on a hot summer
So
day.
if you
it
like
needs to be cold.
If you like it on its own, you just add some lemonade.
Add some lemonade, but if you want, you could even get a little fancy and do, if you wanted to do a raspberry wheat beer and do maybe raspberry lemonade.
I love
That
that
would be
idea.
The first time I heard about a shandy, I was like, I don't think these two things are going to marry well,
Right?
but
They do. It's
they really do.
Ben, have you ever had an iceberg, a beer with
Thank
a lemon slush?
Yeah.
On top,
Yeah.
like lemon lime
Or
slush?
even when you
So
do
good.
that one bottle of beer and you put the lime in
Cheers,
it,
cheers,
kind of
cheers.
thing.
It really is
it's
good.
refreshing.
Yeah.
It's very drinkable. So while you guys get down on
Yeah, I
those,
like that.
we're gonna move on, and we want to. I think beer and barbecue just goes together.
Yes.
So I wanted to infuse beer into everything we're doing. So we're gonna do some caramelized onions. So here I've got some onions. When I cut them up, I like them
They're
to be
real
really thin.
nice and thin,
Yeah.
because it cooks up so much quicker, and it gets all those starches out and that sugar. Because onions are super sugary, which is weird. But we do that. Then we
Can
go.
you slice them on a mandolin?
You can, but I'm
Okay.
terrified of mandolins.
Yes.
Fair enough.
They have hurt me
Yeah,
before.
I would be afraid of that.
Yeah.
But you could get them really thin that way
You
as well.
could, easy
Okay.
and super fast. And then basically...
Oh my gosh.
Cast
Can you guys
iron
see
pan
this? How
on the
good this
grill.
is?
Yeah, so this is the way to do it, because then we're outside the whole time.
Yeah.
We don't have to do anything. Kelsey, would you do me a favor?
So
Yeah, I'd
how
love
long
to.
are we talking low heat?
So basically what I do is I pop them in with some butter
Okay.
at around medium heat.
Okay.
That's
Do you
stir
awesome.
them?
Yes, at around medium heat.
Smell these.
And we just let them kind of cook away. Then we season with a bit of salt, pepper, and some honey.
And some honey.
And
okay.
then we add some beer. So Kelsey, would you pour a little glug of that beer into here?
Okay.
Again, I
I'm
got to
doing
ask
it.
again, what type of beer is best?
This is lager. So again, I love a lager.
Do I stir it in?
Yep, stir it on
Okay.
in. But basically,
Oh,
that's
so
it.
good.
So we start cooking them with some beer, so it really gets infused, and then
Okay.
we finish it, so you get a real kick of beer.
Can I throw more in?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's do
Heck
it.
yeah.
Let's
And-
go
and
for
you
it.
just let them just keep those flavors concentrate.
Yeah, and
Okay.
when you add the liquid at the end, it actually brings up all of those kind of caramelized flavors from
Sure.
the pan and mixes them into the onions.
Oh, wow.
So that's it.
Oh my
Because
God.
that's sort of the dream
Here.
onion. Everybody
easy.
wants their
Hot
onions to look
behind.
like this.
Exactly. Look at how good this
Yeah.
looks. It almost looks like French onion soup. Actually,
Yeah.
if you wanted to make French onion soup out of that,
Yeah,
Sign me
that
up.
would be a good
We
idea.
instantly look like professionals.
right? Exactly.
Okay.
And then the next thing we're gonna do is we wanna do bratwursts, which are so good. So here we've got some brats.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and we're gonna poach them actually first in some beer.
On the grill?
On the grill.
Okay.
So again,
Okay.
this is actually my favorite way to do sausages, because you know when you cook a sausage and you're worried about cooking it all the way through,
Yeah.
and it gets dry in the middle.
Yeah.
Like it gets dry.
Yeah, it does.
So what we do is we do a wet cook first. So
Okay.
we poach. So what I've got here is I've got beer.
Wow.
I've
Just
got
straight up beer.
Straight up beer.
Okay.
Again, I did lager. You could do something darker if you wanted. Some Dijon mustard, some onion and garlic in there, salt
So
and pepper.
good.
So
I'm
basically,
going to do all this.
right? This is like weekend
Yeah,
plan.
this is so smart.
And then all you do, you let those poach for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Are we cooking them fully in the poach?
No, we do a half cook. So
Okay.
half cook, and then we finish them on the grill.
About 5 minutes, you said.
About 5 minutes.
Okay.
And
Do we
then
have to turn them?
I flip them once way through just
Yeah.
to keep them. You shut the grill,
Sure.
you're good to go. And then you get these, and you want to grill them up, and you get them, because then you get the grill marks.
Yeah.
So that's what we get.
All right, we've got to move on to our finishing touch.
Finishing touch.
Which is the mustard.
The mustard. So the mustard is super simple. I love mustard personally. We've got grainy Dijon, and Ben, if you would give me a
Yes.
hand, would you add in the honey?
Yes.
The regular Dijon.
Oh, so it's
my
like an
gosh.
elevated honey mustard.
Elevated honey mustard.
With a little bit of salt for savory.
Exactly. See?
I pick
I don't
things
even
up,
need to
Mary.
be here anymore.
We're learning.
And then I'm gonna add, now my favorite beer is like a stout.
Yeah.
Because it is so good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of stout to that mustard.
this
And we
is a
just-
grown-up.
It's a grown-up, this is a grown-up meal.
So, this beer doesn't evaporate. This beer is beer.
This is beer, but you're only adding a little,
Yeah.
and then you get these beautiful, look at how good that looks. And that would be good if you wanna have like an adult chicken finger.
So good. And
Oh, it's so good.
Right?
Oh, Mary Berg.
Super good, and it's super
good.
saucy, and then you've got delicious sausages.
Oh.
Beer, beer, beer.
So good.
Oh,
You
thank
guys.
you so much. You've really made, the barbecue season has now gotten so much better. And as always, you can find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca.
Are you digging in?
I'm gonna.
I feel like
All right.
it's a thing. I'm gonna get some
Okay.
onion.